All right, Pro Squad. So after careful deliberation and trying to find the best product that I could get, you know, I decided to go with the Uniden. Oh shit, that's the back. Never mind. I decided to go with the Uniden R7. All right, Pro Squad. So it's your boy JR, man, back here with JRTProductions, back with another video. And today's video, man, like I mentioned in my last one, we got to get us a radar. Got to, man. Got to get a radar, because I mean, basically, it's just too crazy to be out here in these streets, you know, riding around, and you never know what kind of cops or, you know, city officials may be around, you know what I'm saying, and you don't want to get caught out like that. But anyway, so I'm here in Durham right now, and so we're about to head on out to a Best Buy and check out what they have before we head back to the A. Oh, forgot I got that thing in sport mode on that pedal commander. But yeah, so we about to head on over here to this Best Buy, and I'm recording on my phone right now, so you know, the quality is different. I hope it's just as good. If not, sorry about that. But yeah, we're about to head on over to this Best Buy. We're gonna see what they got, check out some of their radars and whatnot, and so we can enjoy the ride back to the A. So I'm gonna holler at y'all when I get to the Best Buy. Bye. All right, Pro Squad. So after careful deliberation and trying to find the best product that I could get, you know, I decided to go with the Uniden. Oh shit, that's the back. Never mind. I decided to go with the Uniden R7. So I was contemplating between either the R7 or the R3. Basically, the difference between the two is, well, in this case, the R7 has a better processor, a faster processor. Also has directional arrows, a bit more memory storage for false positives, you know, and just trying to basically customize it. Has more memory for customization so that it won't, you know, be going off when, you know, it's not actually a radar around or whatnot. And so that's the reason I went with it, and this longevity, you know what I mean, overall. So it's like you already spending $1, you know what I'm saying, on, when I say $1, I'm not talking about just 100, but I'm a bag basically, on a radar, you know what I'm saying. You might as well, in my opinion, I feel like you might as well just go on and get, you know what I'm saying, get the best that you can afford, that you can afford, basically. So that's what I pretty much did. So if you want to do your research, go online and look up the R7. I got it from Best Buy. So I'm about to take this thing out of the box, plug it in, and yeah, man, I'm gonna get back with y'all in a minute. So I got to do this kind of fast because I just want to go on and plug it in, because I got to get on this road. I got to get back to the A. So without further ado, let me go on and get to this unboxing. This is gonna be an unprofessional, fast unboxing, but we're gonna do it. So here we go. Ooh, look at that wide angle lens on that 11 Pro Max. That thing is dope. Okay, so let me see here. Extreme long range radar. Got arrows, 360 laser detection, nice bright display, OLED display on the front, digital processor, GPS for red light, cameras, voice alert, mute memory. Man, it's got a whole lot going on here. All right. Usual books and shit. Pluck them, file them to the side. Ooh, look at this case. It's a dope looking case, man. I gotta give it to him on that, man. Packaging looks real nice so far. All right. Here we go. All right, so this is the actual radar here. Nice Velcro pouch. Ooh, this thing is massive, bruh. That's one thing I noticed that was kind of different from between the R7 and the R3, is the R3 is a little bit smaller. So this is the 7 here. So basically, if I can, I'm gonna try to have that thing just sitting like right there. That way it won't really be in the way too much. Yeah, so if I can have it sitting right there, you know what I'm saying, I think I'll be good to go. All right, but anyway, Man, y'all let me know how this quality is, bro. Because honestly, if y'all like it, if y'all good with it, then I may just keep shooting on my phone, man. iPhone 11 Pro Max, for those of you who don't know. In midnight green, 256 gigs. All right, but anyway, here's let's see what we got here. This is like a mount here. Velcro, so basically, I guess you can just, probably I could put it there if I wanted to, but we're not gonna do that. All right, so we got that. And over here, we got power cords. See if I can do this one-handed. Gank that. There we go. Come on out of here. All right, power cord here. So cigarette lighter adapter. And we plug it in right there. There we go. Got another cord here. This is a USB cable to, so you got a USB-A to a micro USB. Yeah, we got a USB-A to a USB, yeah, that's a micro USB cord there. All right, right here is the suction cup mounts that I will be using. Well, I don't think I'm gonna be able to get this one open one-handed up. Yeah, I did. I stopped out myself. All right. Yeah, so this is what I'm gonna be using right here. Got the suction cups here. Bet. Okay, so I'm gonna be using these suction cup mounts here. Basically, it's gonna work out nice. But I'll take this out. All right. Now, in most cases, I would go ahead and look at the manual, but I'm gonna be honest with you. We just gonna, let me see. Well, I'll take a quick gander. Let's see, features, what's in the box, 9 key elements, power cord, OLED display, install, and power on. So we're gonna go to page 12 here. I'm gonna look at this, go ahead and get it all plugged up and stuff, and I'm gonna get back with y'all. So talk amongst yourselves. Okay, so real quick before I go, I did want to show y'all this one thing. As far as the install is concerned, put the suction cups in, and then you just slide it to the back, in the back here. And you slide it and it just clips into that right there. All right, and then we can just mount it on up there. But let me go ahead and hook stuff up. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. All right, so we're gonna plug the power cord, connect it into the R7, plug that into the cigarette lighter. All right, so we got the power cord here. We're gonna plug that in like so. Boom. And we'll plug this into the cigarette lighter. Boom, we got it.
K-band, K-A-band, laser, side, K-band.
This is calibrated. It's a nice looking screen though, I gotta give them that. All right, so what I'm gonna do right now, see we got a menu button on top. Oh, I don't know what that is. Okay, got a menu button on top. Pause, let's see, mine is, it's probably like toggling through.
GPS connected.
Okay, bet. Power button, mark, and mute button on this left side of it. So, all right. I'm gonna mute this right now. Mute on. Good job. All right, so that's what's up. I like that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing up here, and we gonna see how that looks. That looks kind of flimsy to me. That looks kind of flimsy to me, to be honest. That really does. It's. I don't like the way it's like bouncing up there like that. We gotta figure something else out with that. Yeah, it looks kind of crazy to me as far as just how it's kind of like sitting up there, and yeah, I don't know, maybe it's something, or maybe it's a way I can like spread it out a little more. I don't know, let me work on this real quick, man. I'm gonna get back with y'all. All right, y'all, so we back. So I have the scanner, have the radar plugged up and everything. I have it mounted up here on the windshield. I'll show it to you real quick. So that's it. And I switched out the suction cup, so I'm using a different one. It's a lot more sturdy than the other one, so you know, I don't have a whole lot going on with that there. So, and I have it at the moment down here, and I have it plugged into my into my thing there. I could use the other one over here, which I may end up doing that, but I have my phone that I'm using for my GPS connected to that one. But everybody, I just wanted to let y'all know, man, I finally got this radar. It only took one ticket for me to know that I really needed this thing. But anyway, so that's the radar, man. So I'll be doing a video just kind of like breaking down, you know, the initial setup and everything, because basically what you want this to do, in my opinion, you just wanted to let you know that there's a cop around and where it is, and you don't want to hear anything else out of it. I mean, that's my thing anyway. So, but that's pretty much it, man. So I hope you liked the video, man. If this is your first time at the channel, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, subscribe, man. And we're gonna talk about this thing. My next video, I'll be, like I said, breaking down this Uniden R7 for those of you who may be interested in getting one. But this is JR, man, JRTProductions. I'm about to make this drive back to the A. Y'all hold it down. Love y'all, man. Peace. Rock.